Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it's me Muhozi, and we are continuing with our Learn Runyankole series. And now we are learning how to speak Runyankole. This is one of the best languages in Uganda, spoken by the Bantu tribe of Runyankole. And if you come to Uganda, you will probably know the Runyankole. They keep a lot of cattle and they grow matoke, bananas mostly. And this is me, Muhozi Dennis Kafaras. You can see the pretty cool guy here, and is the one taking you through. So our lesson for today is we are on lesson number 14, and we are looking at a letter which in English we call R, but in Runyankole we don't have L, by the way. In Runyankole L is in Luganda. So kanjire kambakire n'abashemererwa, I welcome you. N'abatanjirira mukurukeyo from all you have been doing. I'm so glad. Nashemererwa kubahurikiza. And now we begin with our letter R, which in Runyankole is Ra. We have Ra, Re, Ri, Ro, Ru. We have Kurara, Ku, Ra, La, Ku, La, La. Kurara, that is to spend the night. That is in case you are Olirenkahi. Somebody will ask you, O, Ri, Re, Nkahi. Then you will tell him, haha, that is I slept in town. Ndire omutawuni. So kureva, 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 re, kureva, that is to see. Then we have kurira, 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 that is to cry. Wow. Okay. Kuronda, kulonda, that is to look for. Yeah, to look for. Because if something has gotten lost, you look for it. So you say, Ninza kuronda, I will look for you. Then we have Oburunji, 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 that is meaning beauty. Oburunji. Ankole is well known for having beautiful ladies, and it is a beautiful place. That's why they called it Karo Karunji, beautiful place, beautiful village. So we go to number 15. We have a letter called S in English, like in the word say. So here we have sa, se, si, so, su. Yeah, repeat after me. Sa, se, si, so, su. And we have a word like kusa, 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 that is to grind. You know, in Ankole used to ground millet on a grinding stone and would call it oksa. So we have oksasra, that is O, Ku, Sa, Si, La. Forgive. If you have a person like Nasasra, he forgives. If you want to say that God forgives, you say Ruhanga Nasasra. That means God forgives. Ruhanga Nasasra. If you have wronged somebody and you say Nsasra, you see this word Nsa Sira. Forgive me. Maybe you have wronged your husband or your wife or your friend and you say Nsasra. And that person will write, will respond na kusasira. Na kusasira. I have forgiven you. If you are many, you say twa kusasira, assuming a person has wronged a very large group of people. You say twa. That word twa is plural. Twa kusasira, meaning we have forgiven you. But if you are on one, you say na kusasira. Very simple. We have another word called sebo. Sebo, that means sir. If a woman is calling the husband, he will say sebo. Or he's calling another man, any man that you respect, sebo. Then he will say wanji. If it's a woman, you say nyabo. In case you want, that shows respect. You are saying madam. You are saying nyabo. Then we have omsiri. O-mu-si-ri. That is the garden. Oh my God. Ankole had a group of cultivators called the Aviru. Those were known as cultivators. Then we have Abahima. Abahima was the ruling class. They are cattle keepers. Of course, that's why cows are called ente. They are more close to money. Then we have Obuso. Obuso. That's a forehead. Oh, ladies love foreheads, man. And that is Obuso. Obuso. Even any forehead of something, Obuso bwemotoka, meaning in front. Buso bwantama. Buso bwantama, meaning head-to-head collision. If vehicles have collided head-to-head, you will hear a Runyankole saying, Zatomerana buso bwantama. So when you are hearing news and you hear that word buso bwantama, you know they have collided like the sheep, how sheep collide. So we go to ha. That word is normally, there are some Ankole tribes that cannot pronounce this H. They will always make it. They can never say. And when you mention that is where they know that you are a true Runyankole, because they are called Abasheshe, because they are mainly, most of the words, if it is SH, they will call it. And then you have Sha, She, She, Sho, Shu. This word Sho means father. So if I'm talking that I'm meaning your father, I will say Sho. Sho ya Ravaha. Your father has passed here. But it is another word, because you may say Tata wawe. But this is the short form. You can say Sho ya Ravaha. Your father has passed here. Sho means somebody's father. Sho. Shimwe, your father. Show it. No, okay. Katkoma. Let's stop there. So we have okushaba. O, ku, sha, va. That means to pray. Okushaba. Okushaba nukukira byona. Prayer is more than all. Okushaba. Then we have omushaija. O, mu, shay, because it has this eye. Oh God. This eye, it becomes shay. Omushaija. 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 Then we have, that's a man. Automatically omushaija is a man. Then we have kushoma. 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 Kushoma is to read. Kushoma, to read. Kushoma, to read. To read. Kushisha. Ku, shi, sha. Ha. This one has more shi. Ku, shi, sha. Oh God. That means to spoil. So if you say washisha, you have spoiled. Washisha, meaning you have spoiled. Omweshongozi. 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 Do you know what that means? Omweshongozi means a singer or a music artist. We call it omweshongozi. Omushuma. Omushuma. That is a thief. Then we have shukari. Shukari. That is sugar. 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 Shukari. We go to the next letter. We have, now we are beginning with T. So when you see this T, it is something that in Runyankole you see we have ta, te, ti, to, tu. We have ta, te, ti, to, tu. Then we have tata. Tata. That is a father, my father. If you want to mean your father, you say tata. Then you can say esente. Esente. That is money. Karoti. Karoti. Carrot. Because in Ankwere we didn't have this carrot. Carrot is a foreign word. In Ankwere we don't have that word of carrot. So it has just been it is an imported word, carrot. We have entonga. Entonga. Entonga means entonga means eggplant. Then we have butosha. 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 That is eggplant. Then we have, no, butosha means always. I'm sorry. Then we have omuntu. That is a person. So we have abantu. 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 That is people. Then we have, like in the word it, we have endamusyo. 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 That is greetings. I think you understand that. Endamusyo. Then we have okuramusya. Okuramusya. That is to greet. Okuramusya. This one is it. Chansya. Chansya. Chansya means breakfast. We have amasko. Amasiko. This T is silent. We don't hear that T. If you say amatsiko, no, it is amasko. But I get to see that. So we have, that's hope. Then we have kuhisya. Kuhisya. Until. Kuhisya is until. Okay, then omusigazi. Omusigazi. That's a young man. Young man called omusigazi. Then we have V, va, ve, vi, vo, vu. We have vakedo. In Runyankole, that's how we call it, vakedo. So from avocado we have vakedo. Vakedo. Then we have dereva. Dereva. That's a driver. You get that? Dereva. Dereva. Then we have kuvuga. 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 That's to drive. To drive. To drive or to steer. Kuvuga emotoka. That's to drive a car. Kuvuga egari. To drive. To ride. Kuvuga can also mean to ride. Kuvuga tichi. To ride a motorcycle. We have vinho. Vinho is wine. Then we have okuvigira. To make sharp, continuous noise, especially for pigs. That is okuvigira. Even a person can kuvigira. If a person is saying wee, wee, that is okuvigira. Then we have ekivune. That is thigh of animal. Thigh of animal. Now for a person, a woman or a man, the thigh is called ekivero. Ekivero. Hiya. When I talk of ekivero. So we have, I think we can call it, that's where we have stopped for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we see you back in this lesson that is coming. All the best.